9 o'clock. This is the sun. I've seen it before. Not in the winter time, but it's quite nice. So, good morning, everybody. And so the morning continues. I'm in some sort of bubbly world now. See, I wish I'll get in there. I'll try my best. There's some creepy clowny things here. See? Yes. Okay, let's flip the camera for me. No, I can't do that. Okay. Oh, it's my favorite game of all time. You see? I'll never beat it. Yes. And behind the register now. This is like sort of VIP zone, I suppose. Okay, over and out. So, as one would predict, of course I'm in the bubbles now. Hello. Yes. So, take a look at that. Yep. You guessed it, a penis balloon. I knew first I stepped in here, this was no place for children.
Ja, sant? Det er det jeg mener. Altså, jeg begynner liksom sånn, litt sånn halv 8, kvart på 8, med de små tingene jeg kan gjøre så enda folk. Når klokken 8, tar jeg oppgjøret, tar jeg gulvet, og så tar jeg...
Smoke!
Oh.
Yes. People don't know how to relax.